Ever spend a minute thinking about this? What are the species that seriously at risk? What are the causes for their state? What are the ways to save them from the worst? Tiger symbolizes our country, Malaysia, as a national animal. It represents bravery and strength to Malaysians. It is also the nickname for the Malaysian national football team, which is Harimau Malaya. But did you know that the Malayan tiger population is the most endangered animal species in Malaysia? In the 1950s, Malaysia was estimated to have as many as 3,000 tigers. However, loss of habitat has caused the population to decline to about 500 individuals at the turn of the century. Then, the question is, will the Malayan tiger become extinct in Malaysia in the next 10 to 15 years? Marine turtles were around more than 100 million years ago and lived alongside dinosaurs. In the 1960s, WWF Malaysia stated that leatherback turtle population in Malaysia has declined by more than 99%, while olive ridley turtles have declined by more than 95%. The once large populations of green turtles in the east coast state of Terengganu and the state of Sarawak in East Malaysia have decreased significantly since 1970. Thus, 83,000 to possibly only 57,000 individuals left worldwide. The orang-utan, also known as person of the forest in the Malay language, they are the largest tree-living mammal in the world. Additionally, they are known to be highly intelligent, displaying two-use and distinctive culture in the wild. In 1973, the Borneo was home to an estimated 288,500 orangutans. By 2012, their numbers had dropped by almost two-thirds to 104,700 orangutans, and the decline has continued. The population is expected to fall further to 47,000 by 2025 if steps are not taken to protect this species.
Poachers sometimes kill or capture animals to sell them locally or for the global trade in wildlife. Some animals captured live and sold as exotic pets, while slaughtered animals as food, decor, or traditional medicine. In some instances, it's the primary reason why an animal faces a risk of extinction. Next, man-made pollution is one of the main threats to wildlife habitat. Wildlife populations are constantly confronted with a massive array of pollutants released into the environment. The pollutants from the polluted air and water not only harms human but also the living animal in the surroundings. Latest analysis concludes that till now over 1 million creatures are killed. Besides that, deforestation is a huge problem, and it is estimated that between 3 and 7 billion trees are cut down each year. This habitat destruction leads to species homes being uprooted, their food supply diminished, population reproduction decreases, and ultimately, the animals have nowhere to turn. There are some ways to protect this endangered species, such as we should never buy products made from endangered species, because products made of these animals are filled with cruelty and pain of animals who suffered in the production process. Try to step into the animal's shoes. Have you ever thought that no one else needs a fur but a tiger, and that no one else needs a rhino horn but a rhino? So why not we let them keep their rights to themselves? International wildlife conservation organizations such as WWF and IUCN need to work together by holding close meetings to share ideas and technologies in caring for endangered wildlife. I believe with the cooperation of all parties, we can achieve the target of increasing the population of endangered animal species. Finally, awareness is still a key to ensure survival of the species. We should raise awareness of the importance of biodiversity and the role that we can play in protecting critically threatened species from deforestation, pollution, and many more human-induced challenges. As per elder saying, prevention is better than cure. So, I am ready to play my part. How about you?